In any application, it's a good idea to actually go ahead and then utilize shortcut keys to speed up your workflow. So in order to go ahead and do that, you need to go around over here onto, let's say for example, onto any menu items right here. And once I go ahead and expand this, you can see that some of the menu items right here has the shortcut keys right here. Like there's Alt Enter, as you can see right here, just like this, and so forth, as you can see right here. The shift page up and so forth. It actually goes ahead and then speeds up your workflow. So if I were to go around onto view right here, just like this, you can see that there are a lot of menu items right here. And for that, you can see that I got these shortcut keys right here. For example, for import, there's Ctrl+I, and if I were to click on it, then it simply opens up the import menu right here. But what you can also do is you can go ahead and, let's say for example, change around the shortcut keys as you like and customize it. So to do that, you need to go around onto the tool menu right here. And then what you can do is you can go around onto options. And then what you can do is go around over here onto let's say for example onto customization right here. So once you go ahead and do that, then what happens is that you can go around over here onto commands, and you can see that there's different commands that you can select from right here. So now let's say for example, if I were to go around over here onto close command, then you can see the shortcut key for it right here. So if I were to go around onto, let's say for example, exit, let's say for instance, the shortcut key for it is Alt plus F4. For open, you can see that if I were to go around over here, there's no shortcut keys right now. But if you can go ahead and assign out your own shortcut key as well. So let's say for example, I'm going to say I'm going to hold Control, Shift, and then O right here. And if I were to go ahead and assign this, then this is the assigned shortcut key. So if I were to press Control, Shift, and O, then what happens is that it simply goes ahead and opens up the recent files option, as you can see right here. And that is how you can simply go ahead and utilize the shortcut keys, find it out from the menus, and even find it out from the customization option, as you can see right there. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.